Thank you for joining Veronica's Decor Lab and our rendition of a ginger jar. The history of ginger jars date back to ancient history. Basically, these jars were utilized to transport different spices. Most ginger jars that you may have seen or are aware of look like this or have a pattern of this sort. Today we're going to create our rendition of a ginger jar with Dollar Tree items, a Dollar Tree vase, loose gems, beads, as well as gemstones, and also a glass ramekin, all from the Dollar Tree, and of course your hot glue or any type of adhesive that you're wanting to utilize, as well as your choice of complementary spray paints. We first started off by painting the inside of the jar copper, and then therefore you'll be able to see that particular shade from the outside of the jar. And here you see us cutting away at the gemstones to create the ornate pattern, which basically is the most striking thing about a ginger jar. Instead of hand painting the elaborate design, we're basically creating the designs with the gemstones and loose gemstones. The new iridescent gemstones that Dollar Tree carries now are very, 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 very striking and very regal looking. And when you put all of that together, this is what you come up with, a very regal looking piece. You can choose to make this as elaborate or as subtle as you would like. And of course, the complementary tone that we had with the copper was gold. So the last layer of spray paint was gold. Here, we're creating a handle for the top of the lid, which is nothing but a glass ramekin that you can find in the Dollar Tree aisle and the dishware aisle. And this is where you can also either make it even as ornate or as subtle as you'd like as well. But because in my mind, I'm thinking more is better, the more regal, the more heightened, the more richer, the more is all I keep thinking of when I think of a ginger jar. It is such a special piece. I've always wanted to own one, but never have had the opportunity of having an original. So, henceforth, why not make your own? We thank you for joining Veronica's Decor Lab in our episode of creating a ginger jar. We hope that you like, comment, share, as well as hit that bell notification so you can be notified of our next uploads. We never say goodbye, we always say so long, and we look forward to seeing you on the next go around.